Bella Karen, True Signs, and To Infinity and Beyond. 2150 the distance. As the mobile draws into the back. Nearly ready. Set. There's the green light, they're off and racing. This time Bella Karen, one of the best to begin and drive straight to the front. Our Magical Miracle and My Hard Copy both showing speed, and they are then being followed by further in behind To Infinity and Beyond out wide on the track, and True Signs is back to last. And as they sort themselves out here, working up around the outside, it is My Hard Copy to draw to the front. So My Hard Copy gets out by about a length and a half here from Bella Karen second. Our Magical Miracle back on the inside, and they are then being followed by True Signs and To Infinity and Beyond. They're about to come down the straight the first time, and it's My Hard Copy, the leader, shows the way by about a length and a half. Bella Karen is in second position, and they're then being followed by Our Magical Miracle third. 2 lengths to True Signs, and To Infinity Beyond is being pulled up after its jump out. They're about to make the way towards the back, and it's My Hard Copy in front, shows the way by about a length and a half. Bella Karen sticking close, about 4 or 5 lengths further in behind him to Our Magical Miracle, and about 2 or 3 lengths then to True Signs, which is back in last position. Down by the back they go, and it's My Hard Copy bowling along, shows the way by about a length and a half. Bella Karen second, about 5 lengths further in behind him Our Magical Miracle, and 2 lengths to True Signs, which is back in last position. They swing off the back this time. They've got under 1200 metres left to travel, and it's My Hard Copy out in front. Shows the way from Bella Karen second. A break in the field then to Our Magical Miracle, and True Signs is back in last position as they're about to work their way towards the turn, where it's My Hard Copy, the leader. He's been there from the start and shows the way by about a length and a half. Bella Karen second. Then that break to Our Magical Miracle, and about 2 lengths further in behind him True Signs, which is back last as they come down the straight now with a lap left to travel, and it's My Hard Copy, the leader. My Hard Copy in front by about a length and a half. Bella Karen. A break in the field to Our Magical Miracle, and True Signs is back in last position, but they make the way towards the back, and it's My Hard Copy in front. Shows the way by a length and a half. Bella Karen still sticking close. A break of about 10 to 12 lengths further in behind them to Our Magical Miracle, and a further 2 lengths then to True Signs, which is back last, but it's My Hard Copy in front. Clear by about 2 lengths from Bella Karen as they swing off the back with a little over 400 left to travel. My Hard Copy clear, 2 or 3 lengths now on Bella Karen, and then that break to Our Magical Miracle and True Signs, but they're about to swing their way towards a turn, and My Hard Copy gets away from Bella Karen. It's My Hard Copy now by about 4 or 5 lengths on Bella Karen as they swing their way towards a turn. It's all My Hard Copy, and My Hard Copy straightens in front by about 6 or 7 now from Bella Karen, and My Hard Copy, very impressive. My Hard Copy will go down and score very, very comfortably. My Hard Copy wins it by about 6 or 7 lengths from Bella Karen, and a similar margin further in behind them to Our Magical Miracle, and back last was True Signs.